We just got delivered the new MacBook M4 chip. So in this video, first off, we're going to be unboxing it. Then we're going to talk about the design. Then we're going to talk about performance. Then we're going to talk about the price. And finally, the main question, should you upgrade or no? Welcome back to the channel. And we have the MacBook Air M4 chip. Around this time of year, every year, the MacBooks get a refresh. So let's check out how the refresh is this year. Here it is. This is the box. It's exactly the same, just like last year. The M4 chip. We've got 16 GBs memory, 256 GB. Now, one thing I'd like to add before we go ahead and unbox this is that before, standard MacBook Air used to come in 8 GB RAM, but this time they've eliminated the 8 GB and it comes in a standard of 16 GB RAM. Big refresh. All right, so here it is, the new MacBook Air M4. It's light as always, it's slim and sleek as always, it looks beautiful. These computers used to be like the basic entry level into, you getting a MacBook, but now they're so powerful, I don't think there's something they cannot do. So even if you get this, unless you're a heavy duty person and you've got tons of workload, I think this is the best laptop. I'd also like to add that I did get this in the silver color. We've got a 13-inch MacBook Air M4 coming in the new light blue color. So subscribe to this channel to see the color comparison, which will be coming out soon as well. All right, so first things first, let's first talk about the design. Now, do you know every year the design stays the same, just a new chip is added to the laptop, but this time there is actually a very, very prominent, big design difference from the previous models, and it's unbelievable. I mean, it's changed the look of this computer. So let's find out what that is. First, let's talk about the ports. So we've got the same wireless charging situation here. We've got two USB-C ports, and then we've got an aux cable right here. Let's go ahead, open the laptop and show you the biggest design difference, which is in this year and not available in the previous year. All right. What I want you guys to see is, can you spot that big difference? I'll give you 5 seconds. No? It's not that prominent? Well, you see this mute button, before it did not have a slash on it. Now it's got a line and it actually looks like a mute button. What a big difference that is, isn't it? It's just how Apple does things, Anyways, not much of a design change, just that one change. They've actually used more ink on the keyboard. Apart from that, this is a 15-inch laptop. Screen has a notch. Everything else stays the same. The design is exactly the same, so nothing new to talk about there. All right, so let's talk about the color. I love the silver color, but I did love the space gray as well. I actually liked it better than this, but I think as more and more when I use it, It's I'm gonna find it better, and I think I'll just kind of sink into it. Furthermore, the space gray itself was a very decent color. I always loved it, always opted for it. But in the MacBook M4, they've actually eliminated that color, and we have a new color, which is the light blue. I'm waiting for it to arrive on the channel so I can do a color comparison for you guys as well. Subscribe for that. I will be coming out with a color comparison video on this as well. I think that was it from the design. Not many changes except for that mute button. So now let's move ahead. Let's talk about the performance. Now, as I mentioned earlier, talking about the performance, this time they've actually eliminated the 8 GB RAM version of the MacBook Air. Now, the base model comes in the 16 GB and 256 gigabytes of storage. So RAM is obviously better. M4 chip is a very powerful chip. The first time we got to see was in the iPads. Then we got to see them in the Pros. And finally, they're in the MacBook Airs as well. I mean, till now, I was using the M2 and it was super fast. It was doing all the tasks for me, the editing, all my other work. The slight problem I was having with the M2 was because of the 8 GB RAM, which controls your multitasking. I sometimes, when I go from 5 to 6 or the 7th program, and I'm running simultaneously, it used to lag and it used to tell me to force quit one of the programs. But I think with this new machine now, the M4 and 16 GB RAM, that's not going to be a problem. The processor itself has 10 core CPU and 8 cores of GPU. All right, compared to the previous processors. Now I'm going to tell you in terms of percentage that how faster is the M4 compared to the previous chips, so it's easier for you to understand. The M4 compared to the M1 is about 50 to 60% faster. From the M2, it's about 20 to 60% faster. From the M3, it's about 10 to 20% faster. So most definitely, it's gonna get your everyday tasks done that you do on a computer. It's gonna do even more than that, and it's a very powerful machine. And this time, additionally, it can handle your multitasking even better. All right, moving on. Now let's talk about the price. This time, surprisingly, Apple has actually dropped $100 off the 13-inch and the 15-inch, basically dropped off $100 on every single model. The 13-inch model used to come in before at $10.99, whereas now it's $9.99. The 15-inch model before used to come at $12.99 and is now $11.99, which is the one I got. And remember, with this price drop, they've increased the RAM as well. So you're getting a pretty amazing deal. But on the other hand, if you're buying this laptop from Pakistan, I think for the 13-inch one, it's going to cost you around 350,000 rupees. And for the 15-inch one, it's going to cost you around 390,000 rupees. It is available in Pakistan in stores. So lastly, the main question, should you upgrade or no? Only if you're on an M3, slightly don't recommend that you upgrade. I mean, that machine's still gonna work for you very good. But I think because of the price drop and they're increasing the RAM, you can definitely upgrade from the M2 or below. I mean, this is the best time to upgrade your Mac. It's $100 cheaper, you get better specifications. So yeah, that was all from today's video. I'll be back with a color comparison of the silver and the light blue, which is the new color in the M4 chip MacBook Air. Like this video, let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.